Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states, as per the moon of Zulhajj, on the occasion of the farewell pilgrimage, we set out along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whosoever of you wish to put on the ihram for Umrah should wear the ihram for Umrah. If I had not brought the sacrificial animal, I would have worn the ihram for Umrah." Then some of the companions wore ihram for Umrah and some of them for Hajj. I was one of those who put on the ihram for Umrah. We reached Makkah Mukarramah on foot and I was menstruating even on the day of Arafah. But I had not taken off ihram for Umrah by then. I complained to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam of it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Leave your Umrah, undo your hair, comb it and put on the ihram for Hajj." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, "I did the same. When the night of Hasaba approached and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu completed our Hajj, we complete our Hajj with Allah's grace." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abi Bakr radiyallahu anhu along with me. He mounted me behind him and took me to Tan'im. I then put on the ihram for Umrah and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu thus completed both our Hajj and Umrah. And there was neither any sacrifice, nor any charity, nor any fasting required. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2906.